Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the Anker. This is the Anker 737 Powerbank. It is the PowerCore 24K, and this is one of the gallium nitride batteries. So very fast charging speeds. One of the cool things about it is not only does it charge at 140 watts, it outputs at up to 140 watts via USB-C. So you can charge a laptop with this, which is one of the major selling points. It'll fast charge phones, it'll charge laptops, and it itself charges very quickly as well. If you charge it at the 140 watt speed that it's capable of, it'll charge in about 45 to 50 minutes. And I actually picked up an Apple 140 watt power brick to try to charge this with to see if it will get the full speeds, because it's just one of the ones that was readily available. I know I could probably get something cheaper on Amazon, but that was something that was, readily available. I could go pick it up at Best Buy, and I could also use it with my Mac as well. So if I can get this tape off without cutting my finger off, we will take a look at this thing. This thing has some other cool features that we'll go over as soon as I get into the box. Alright, so here's the power bank itself. It's really wedged in there. Alright, so we're going to put that off to the side for a second. We'll come back to it. Instruction manual right there. And then right here, it's the last thing in the box. We have a nice carrying case or pouch along with the USB-C to USB-C cable. It does not come with a wall adapter. As I said, I bought the Apple one. Anker does make some that are like 100 watt, 120 watt, so those would work perfect for this. But let's go ahead and take a look at the power bank itself. I picked this up on Amazon on Cyber Monday. It was on sale for $99. Right now, regular price on it is $149. Amazon has had some coupons for like $30 off and stuff like that as well. So very good price. I would try to pick one up around the holidays if you're looking to buy one of these, because you can save a little bit of money. So we do have two USB-C ports and a USB-A port. One of them is in and out, and then one of them is just out. So it's 140 watts combined on everything. Anker has a different diagram online of different configurations of what will power what based on how many devices are plugged into this and where they're plugged in. But everything shared together is 140 watts capable. I want to say if you're using the two USB-Cs, I think it's 100 watts total, and then like 23 or 33 or something like that on the USB-A port. But if you check out the Anker website, it'll detail that on there. The USB-A port is also capable of doing like a trickle charge. So if you're plugging in something like an Apple Watch or a pair of headphones, you can put this in a low power mode, and that will keep this port active even if something's drawing very little power. So say you want to keep your AirPods plugged in and charged, you can double tap the side button, which right here, we'll double tap the side button. You can see the little dot up here on the screen. It's kind of hard to see right here, but there's a little green dot right there, and it shows that the A port is outputting 0.1 watts, and that is just to keep this thing active. Right now we're at 28%, and it says we have 41 hours and 50 minutes remaining. We'll double tap that again, it'll turn off. And that will stay on, I think, for like 2 minutes, and then it will shut that port off as well. If we tap here, we can see some stats about the battery. Again, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it shows you the battery temperature, the battery health, watt hours input, watt hours output, how many times the screen has been used, and battery cycles. So we're at 0 cycles and 21 screen activations, which they say is normal because of testing before it leaves the factory. So everything should be at 100%, 0 cycles, and then it's normal to have some screen activations when you pull this out of the box. So we can toggle between that and toggle between auto screen off. One cool thing, it does have a gyroscope in it, so you can rotate it and the screen will automatically rotate to the configuration of the battery bank. So that is the Anker. This is the Anker PowerCore 737. I'm Colin with Techout. I will be doing some testing on this. I just got to get it charged up, set up, and I'll try it with some different devices like my MacBook Pro, iPhone, iPad, that kind of stuff, and I'll make another separate video on that. But that is the PowerCore 24K Anker 737. right there, and I will leave a link to the Amazon page where you can pick one of these up down in the description. Like I said, I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.